All right, so now we know what a new document is. We know how to insert image. We know how to link it. But sharing, this is a really important part about documents. This is amazing what you could do. So if I go back up to my document and let's go to the research and let's share. So I currently have all this stuff here. And I'm like, you know what? I want to see what somebody else has to say. So I can share it by clicking this right here. There's a few options here that you might want to change. Number one, you could make it so that way it's private access, so that only you're the one that could access it. You can make it public. You can make it anyone with a link. I'm going to keep it private for now. And then I could change. Editors will be allowed to add people. So if whoever I share this with, I want to make sure that they don't have access to share with anybody else. So I'll click on this one here. And I'm going to share it down here and say share and save and done. Now what's going to happen here is I just shared it. All right, you don't really see anything with it, but in a moment if you look right up here, I'm going to open the same document with my other computer. So let's just take a look at that. So I have my doc. Now look up here, you're going to see this pink thing come up, and that's because I am on it on my other computer. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to start typing. And I'm going to say, like, I don't like this picture. So I'm going to change this title and say amazing. I really like this. Now realize I'm not typing it on the computer that I'm taping this on. This is another whole thing here. I've shared it with another computer. So now you can have your students in your class collaborate with each other. They could be sitting across the room and still be collaborating. Now they could also chat on the side, and they could just say, like, I don't like the picture. All right, so I sent it, and I got it on the other side, and I said, I will take one. And now I'm going to take one with my webcam. So let me go up here and insert an image from Snapshot. All right, close this out. And now I'm going to take a picture right here. So the computer's behind me. Okay, and I'll select it. And there it is. So, I mean, this is real-time collaboration. It's amazing what you could do. And this is just, you could share with multiple people as well. So I have it with one person, but I could share it with, 4 or 5 people. And this is a pretty neat thing. Students could also make revisions for each other. I mean, think about a document that they create at home, and they come back the next day, and then you do some peer editing. Now, instead of being around in a circle and talking about it, because some kids get embarrassed, they can now go through the peer editing, and they could highlight certain things. They can make comments. They could tell each other if they like it. They could talk through the chat, so that way they're not discussing within class. They can be in physically different classrooms. So lots of powerful things you could do with this.